got back from bucking up most of that hedge, maple and ash, over at the other place. Always maintain your equipment, guys. I mean, anymore, I grew up, oh, it'll be fine, let it go, it'll do for another, that mentality. And, well, if you watch the tractor video, the air filter was original. There was a bunch of things that should have already been changed. But, that's the way you're young, you don't know much. You're young, you do not know any better. You grow up, you set your own ways. Anymore, me personally, things get done before they need to get done. And I document pretty much everything I do, which between you guys, me filling out a piece of paper in my manual bin or whatever, I tend to do that. But I just want to come in and say, always maintain your stuff. Even if you just come from cutting and you run it out of gas, put some gas and oil in it. You never know when you might need an emergency. Like, oh, give me a couple minutes, let me put some bar oil, make some fuel, or do whatever, Take a little extra time and do it right. This chain's still good. There's boiling through that stuff over there. Anywho, just thought I'd take a minute and chat with y'all. What I was showing you on the bar there was that oil. The oil hole for the bar was clogged. Hedge produces very fine sawdust. Here's some on the table right here. Very fine. And it just about immediately clogs when I cut that stuff. How do you guys do it? Here, let me show you. You're making 2-cycle, or when you're mixing, you go like this, do the circle, go around the arm. What do y'all do? Me personally, it's that right there. Well, didn't even burn a full tank yet. After watching Project Farms video right here, I think I'm going to switch to country line from TSC. I do have a gift card there, so I will use it for that. It was amazing how the popular brands, Echo, Husqvarna, Stihl, did actually worse than the cheaper brands, because our local, well, we have 2 Stihl dealers basically now, and I only go to the one because I get all my tractor's parts and chains and whatnot there. And they seem to be, they're a lot nicer. We've done business for them for 50, 70 years. Probably longer than that. This jug right now is about 18 bucks. This time last year, February, I was getting it for out the door for $13.07, I think. Right now it's, I walk in there with 18, maybe it's 18 bucks. I don't know. Probably 18 bucks. But anyway, always maintain your equipment. Be ready for anything that comes your way. Some stuff you can't be prepared for, but a lot of it, most of it you can. I'll see you all on the next one.